Hi there, I'm Andrew, a precision ag specialist here at Hutson, and today I'm going to walk you through how to properly store your planter for the off-season. Proper storage keeps your planter in peak condition, prevents costly repairs, and helps you hit the ground running next season. Also, if you're not sure where to start or just want a second set of eyes, our Hutson Precision Ag experts are here to help. We can run diagnostic checks, inspect for wear, and make sure your planter is ready for the off-season. If you're running an ExactEmerge, don't forget about the BrushBelt. Purge it of all seed, release tension from the cartridge, and remove it and hang it on a curved object for best storage results. Clean the vacuum system thoroughly and plug the vacuum tube unions with caps to prevent debris and critters. Inspect for hydraulic leaks, and remember, hydraulic fluid can be dangerous. Use cardboard, not your hands, to check for leaks. Before washing, remember, avoid spraying high pressure water directly on electrical components, bearings, hoses, and hoppers. Use low pressure water, and once clean, touch up any chipped or worn paint to prevent rust. A little paint now goes a long way later. Now, lubrication is critical. Grease all exposed cylinder rods and the chains using John Deere multi-purpose spray lube. Empty and clean your seed hoppers and meters. Use a mild detergent and soft brush, then spray your seed discs with graphite lubricant. And here's another important one: never store your seed discs under heavy parts or in direct sunlight. Either keep them in their original box or just hang them on the wall to avoid any warping. Avoid frame settling by installing the service locks on the center frame wheel cylinders and the back rank frame cylinders. Then lower your planter onto the locks. You'll find these instructions in the general service section of your operator's manual. Trust me, it's a step you don't want to skip. Before wrapping up, a few final tips. Store your planter in a clean, dry place, ideally out of direct sunlight. Relieve downforce from the closing wheels, and if temperature drops in your area, flush liquid systems or add winterizing fluid to prevent freeze damage. Now, if you're not sure where to start or just want a second set of eyes, our Hutson Precision Ag experts are here to help. We can run diagnostic checks, inspect for wear, and make sure your planter's ready for the off-season. And as always, reach out to your local Hutson dealership for any parts and service needs. We're ready to help you finish strong and start next season even stronger.